Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Today, let's talk about why we assign a user to a database in cPanel. Imagine your database is like a locked room, where you keep important files. But here's the thing. Your website needs someone to open the door, add new files, edit, or delete files inside that room. That's where the database user comes in. They get the key to open the door and do the work. Without a user assigned to the database, your website can't get inside to save or read data. At YouStable, we make sure setting up users and assigning permissions is easy and secure, so your website runs smoothly every time. So, always remember, number 1, create a user. Number 2, assign it to the database. And number 3, give permissions. This way, your website performs at its best, just like when you host with YouStable. Now, let's dive into today's video. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click Manage My Databases. Scroll down to Add User to Database section. To select the user you want to add, click to open the drop-down list and click again on the username. To select the database, click to open the drop-down list of databases and click again on the database name. Now, click the Add button. You can click on individual checkboxes to select or unselect particular rights you want to assign to the user. You can also click the All Privileges checkbox to assign all the privileges to the user. After selecting the privileges, click the Make Changes button. That's it. Privileges have been assigned to the user for the selected database. Thank you for watching.